us all those details. But with this, let's revisit the big story of the day. The massive bomb blast near the Red Fort metro station has shattered the peace of the capital and put all security agencies on high alert. Security has been significantly ramped up across Delhi, with police personnel deployed at every critical point to maintain law and order. Now, the borders of the capital have been sealed and every vehicle entering the city is under intense scrutiny for any suspicious activity. With other states also on high alert, our correspondent Sameer Dixit joins us now from Delhi border to bring us the ground reality of the enhanced security arrangements. Sameer.
It's not a usual Tuesday morning for Delhi police. The security arrangement has been beefed up in Delhi and the border areas after the shocking blast on Monday later evening by around 7 o'clock nearby Red Fort. And as of now, you can see that's a border area, and from here the vehicles they enter Delhi. But patrolling has been increased. More and more Delhi police jawan have been deployed so as they can thoroughly inspect, and if any suspicious activity, if any suspicious car or any such activity is found, they thoroughly investigate. As of now, if you see, the barricades have been increased. The vehicles which are entering Delhi, they are being checked properly. Now, this particular car which is having a tinted black car, now that's a suspicious kind of a thing, and that is the reason Delhi police has stopped this car and it is being thoroughly checked, and also the verification of the car driver that is being done by Delhi police. In addition to this, if you see, jawans, the number of jawan deployed, the number has been increased, and they are having a close eye on the vehicles entering Delhi as of now. Now, such security arrangement, it has not been beefed up not just in Delhi but also in other states as well. For example, in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Haryana, in these states as well. Even Uttar Pradesh has been put on high alert. So these sort of high arrangement, security arrangement has been done. And this is all because of the shocking blast that happened Monday evening at 7 o'clock near to Red Fort, and that resulted in the loss of life. 9 people lost their life, and more than as of now, more than 20 people, they are having injuries as well, and they are having their treatment at nearby LNJP hospital. So that sort of security arrangement, if you see, it has been increased, and the security agencies have been asked to remain high alert, and if any suspicious activity is found, immediate action has to be taken. With camera person Ashok, this is Sameer Dixit for ET Now.
All right, thank you, Sameer, for that update. We'll keep getting you updates from Ground Zero as Sameer Dixit is standing by in